Alright. Hey everyone, it's me, Lemiwinks again, and I got a big surprise for you all. I just got off work. I just finished this earlier today, right before I left for work, but I finally got my Extreme Assistant up and running, and I think it's pretty damned amazing, so I want to share it with all of you. Let's take a look here, alright? So, starting off, we have this really awesome Razer keyboard right there, on a keyboard tray, along with a nice Razer Death Adder mouse and Razer mouse pad that I had lying around. And some nice headphones to go with it. I've got NVIDIA 3D Vision glasses that I got over the summer, along with a 3D Vision capable monitor here, which is currently installing a video game for me. I also added a second monitor for productivity, so I could actually browse the web over here while running IM over here, or any number of different things. The actual addition of a second monitor is really amazing. And then over here, you can see I finally set up the entire computer. Now this thing is built into an acrylic box. So the main box that houses all the components is 17 by 17 square, and it houses 4 fans for cooling plus a fan on the CPU, low profile heatsink for the CPU to fit inside because the case is actually cut really close. It's got 2 GTX 260s in SLI, one from the contest and another ASUS one right here, where you can actually see the chip on the back of it there. So that's going to give me extra graphics performance. In the base, I actually mounted my power supply over on the left, my CD drive, and the SSD, which I haven't put a mount on yet for it, because I wanted to get this up and running, is on the right. If you look in the back here, you can see I got all the cables coming out. I got 2 DVI cables for the dual monitor setup, and those are actually right up on that fan right there. It's pretty crazy. I got a wireless adapter for some wireless internet, and then I've got USB for my mouse, keyboard, for the NVision glasses, and the audio jacks for the headphones. So I fit all that in there. As you can see, again, it's a pretty tight fit. And then the actual cards on the case fit right up against it. If you look at that bracket, it's flush with the outside of the case here. So that'll give you an idea of just how much actual extra room is in there. Now everything, as far as power goes and all the cables coming out, are all actually coming in a very small hole on the bottom there. And I got a couple going into this compartment for the drives. But that hole right there is fitting the Molex and SATA power cables, plus the CPU and 24-pin power cables, the 4 power cables for the GPUs, plus all the cables that plug into peripherals over here. All those cables are coming out the one end over here. I haven't gotten a chance to move the power supply over yet. So that's pretty interesting as well. So when you look at the whole system, it looks really different because it's in a diamond shape. And that's really different than anything you really will see anywhere. And to show you what it's going to look like in the dark here, let me turn off the lights. And I don't know about you, but if I saw this in a LAN center or something, that would catch my eye. Not only because it's got a nice blue glow to it, but it's a very different shape. And some of the light's actually being caught by the acrylic and reflected around. So, I hope you guys have liked this introduction to my system here. And I've got a bunch more videos and cool stuff coming your way, so just watch out for it in a nice day or two.